Oil prices plunge more than 10% after Iran announces opening of the Strait of Hormuz. Oil prices plummeted more than 10% in less than 2 hours after Iran's foreign minister announced that the Strait of Hormuz was fully open for the duration of the current ceasefire with the United States. In a statement published Friday afternoon in X, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi announced that the Strait of Hormuz was fully open in accordance with the ceasefire. Global stock and energy markets reacted immediately to the news. By press time, the U.S. benchmark WTI had fallen more than 12% to around $82 per barrel, while Brent crude had lost 10%, falling to around $88 per barrel. U.S. President Donald Trump also welcomed the announcement, while emphasizing that the naval blockade of Iranian ports will remain in full force until further notice. Trump added that most of the points have already been agreed upon, with Iran as part of a longer-term agreement, and that the process should move very quickly. However, no details about the possible deal have yet been publicly disclosed. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both hit new all-time highs, rising more than 1% in the first hour of trading, as markets began to reflect the positive news for the global economy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose even more strongly, by more than 1.7%, reversing its week-long lag. It remains unclear at what speed and volume traffic through the Strait of Hormuz will resume. Markets are currently assuming a final settlement will be reached by the end of the month. With the weekend approaching, traders only have Friday's session to process the incoming information and reflect it in quotes. This text was translated using artificial intelligence and originally published at the conclusion of negotiations with Iran and Lebanon.
Stay ahead with Rashid Newez. Like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news.